What's up, guys? It's me, Noah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So first you have to do both of these sides, and then next you do. I think you have to do like this, and these both sides. And then you put this around, and you put this like this, and then you fold it like this, hold it like this, and then hold it like that, and 2 times. And then now, boom! You found a paper. You got an April aeroplane. So let's see if it flies. Ready? Set. Yeah, that was fun. Alright guys, bye bye, and subscribe to my channel. You have to click the subscribe button challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Bye bye.